I always wanted to have a job where I could find out better ways to do things. And advertising gives you a broad range of things that you can work with and find out how to do things better. Trapezoid is a pharmaceutical advertising agency that does things a little bit differently than everyone else, and we approach things differently than everyone else. There's a method to science and there's a methodology to medicine. We use that as a basis and then take a big leap to come up with unusual ways of approaching science and approaching medicine and explaining it. Every product has something unique, and you have to have a unique approach and come up with very different ways of thinking about them and very different ways of explaining them. Most advertising agencies take a standard approach by giving clients detail aids, advertising, brochures. The problem with just doing that is it isn't enough to get the attention of the customer, and it isn't enough to differentiate one product from another, because you can't get that from something static. You can't get that from an ad. You can't always get that from a brochure or a detail aid. They don't think the way we think in Trapezoid. They don't want to take chances. They're used to doing the same old, same old. You have to do something different to shake people awake. I'm so independent here. Innovative ideas make sense because they really don't cost any more than traditional ideas, and the impact can be dramatic. To introduce a miniaturized, computerized surgical stapling system, we did a video that showed the procedure from the inside out by taking someone, shrinking them down, inserting them into the device itself, and showing how the procedure worked. And it was funny and memorable, and every person who saw the video went for a product demo immediately afterwards and got hands-on experience with it and learned how to use it. At first, clients may seem a little bit skeptical because it's so new and it's so different. But when they see how we're able to combine a strategic message, an educational message, a marketing message, they love it. We are fun to work with. We are the best part of a client's day. We make clients look terrific. They do things that are exciting and fun and really work. They always get the A-team. And why would you want to work with anything else? We transformed a convention booth for McNeil into a learning pavilion. And what that meant for McNeil was their booth was jammed with doctors from the time the convention opened to the time the convention closed. And they weren't standing there waiting in line to get a pen. They were standing there in line to get an educational message, to get a marketing message, to get a promotional message, to get a strategic message. Audiences love the Concerta booth. They stayed there, trying all the different activities, talking to the reps, coming back the next day to try things they might have had time for the first day, and the booth was packed. There were always people there. I think in the long run, Trapezoid is going to change what clients expect from an agency. It's just not good enough anymore to run ads that restate the package insert. We're raising the bar, we're raising the standards, and it's something that customers, physicians are going to begin to expect, and I think we're doing a good thing for the field in general.